we can't convert all this light energy into electricity due to the existing traditional solar panels. The problem with these solar panels is the efficiency rate. The efficiency rate of a typical solar panel, which can be afforded by the middle class man, is approximately 28%. This means if 100 watts worth light is given as input, the output will only be 28 watts electricity. Thus, the efficiency rate is 28% approximately. Due to cover this issue, we have come up with the solar generator design. This design is uh, essential for diverting people from thermal power plants, which cause extreme pollution as well as are highly inefficient and require a lot of space. Our design works on the basic principles of 8th grade optics and magnifying the light. So let's get right into it. This particular model has been created in Blender. As you can see, there are six mirrors aligned in such a way that light which falls upon them is reflected onto the Funzel lens. This has been specifically done by us to cover more surface area, thus giving us more light to convert into electricity. The job of the Fernseh lens or the magnifying lens over here is to magnify or concentrate the light onto the solar cells or the solar panel. This causes or forces the solar cells to work with a better efficiency. Thus, more light energy is converted into electricity. Our business model is as follows. First, the customer visits us and provides us with the exact dimensions of his solar panel. We record his dimensions of the solar panel and calculate the manufacturing cost. The manufacturing cost is the cost for manufacturing the product plus the taxes. And the selling price will be the manufacturing cost, plus the taxes, and 20% of the manufacturing cost, which is considered as a profit slash margin. Once the final revenue is provided to the customer, this process usually takes up from 1 hour to 1 day depending upon the traffic we get. Once the final revenue is submitted to the customer, he pays us the money and then starts the timeline of 1 to 2 business weeks. In the timeline of 1 to 2 business weeks, we manufacture the product out of materials which are reliable, affordable, and give the luxurious touch. Once the kit is manufactured, we deliver it to the customer in a fully assembled way. All he has to do is take his solar panel and plug it into the socket we have provided.